In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted sheet in Smartsheet. Accidentally deleting a sheet can be stressful, especially if it holds important project data, timelines, or reports. The good news is that Smartsheet has a built-in way to recover deleted sheets, as long as they're still within the allowed recovery period for your account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the exact process, and I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so you can confidently recover your work. First, sign into your Smartsheet account in your browser. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with options like Home, Browse, and possibly others, depending on your setup. Go ahead and click on Browse. This area lets you navigate through your workspaces, folders, and also access items that have been deleted. After you click Browse, a new view will open. Here, look for an option labeled Deleted Items. This is where Smartsheet stores sheets and other items that you've removed, similar to a recycle bin. Click on Deleted Items to open that section. You'll now see a list of everything that has been deleted from your account that is still recoverable. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the sheet that you want to restore. You can use the search bar at the top if there are many items and you remember the sheet's name. Once you find the correct sheet, click to select it. Make sure you're choosing the right one, especially if you have multiple sheets with similar names. With the sheet selected, look toward the top or above the list for a button or menu labeled Actions. Click on Actions to open a small drop-down menu with different options for what you can do with the selected deleted item. In that drop-down, click on Undelete. This tells Smartsheet that you want to restore the selected sheet back to your active items. When you choose Undelete, a confirmation message or dialog box will usually appear, asking you to confirm that you want to restore the sheet. To complete the process, click OK in the